Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video I am doing another shop with me type vlog. You guys really liked the last one and I needed to go to the mall today, so I was like, might as well bring you along with me. Stop number one, I'm actually not at the mall yet, but figured I would just start the video here. Stop number one is I'm going to be selling some of my old clothes that I just don't use anymore, that I just think somebody else will appreciate it a little bit more. So I do have two full bags. I am gonna quickly drop those off, then we're gonna head to the mall. This mall has like Lululemon, Zara, Aritzia, H&M, so I got some time today. I have to be home by 2 o'clock the latest. It is currently 11 in the morning. My dog has his hair appointment at 3, so I have quite a bit of time, so I figured I could do this now. It won't be rushed. We can try on some clothes, have some fun. These are the two bags that I'm going to sell. Just a bunch of stuff that I don't use, and hopefully they buy everything and give me cash, so we'll see. Made it to Markville Mall. When I dropped off my clothes, she said it was going to be about 45 minutes, probably going to need close to an hour and a half in the mall. I don't really want to buy too many things, but I am here to do a return for the Lululemon sports bra that I showed you guys in another haul. This like cinched one, I just don't like it. And also I'm actually going to be returning the soft stream shorts, the ones that match it, because I still just can't get over the fact that they were $88 regular price. Like, that's a lot, especially for shorts. Like, I just don't love them that much, and I'd rather get another pair of Aligns or something else. It's just not worth it. I really thought about it and I was just like, you know what, let's just return the whole outfit. So I'm gonna go return that. Just gonna browse around. I'll bring you guys to the change rooms. I don't know if I'm gonna film like the actual stores because the parking lot is pretty busy for it to be a Wednesday, and yeah, still a little shy bringing the camera in and like filming. And I know Zara has like security guards at the front door, so I don't want them to come up to me and be like, why are you filming, yada yada yada. We'll see what kind of footage I get. Stop number one is always Lululemon. Found some things. I'm excited. I don't know how I feel about these. They're very, very comfy, but I don't like how you can see the pocket through. Size 2. These are soft stream. Overall, like the fit of them, and the material is very, very soft, but I didn't love them and I didn't want to go ahead and buy another thing that I wasn't going to love and not use and return, so did not end up going with these. Okay, wait a second. I love these pants. Look how cute. They're a little cropped. The back. And you can like adjust the buttons. I think I might even need a smaller size. Pick them up in a size 4. Thought they were a 2, but these are them. They're cropped. I think they're so cute. And I have the Define to match it, so might need to buy these in a size 2 though. I'm gonna grab the 2 so we can see the difference. Okay, they didn't have a 2 in the blue, but they had a 2 in the pink. I don't like the pink color, but figured I would try it on. This is what it looks like. A little bit see-through, don't like this. I don't know if 4 actually looks better than the 2s. I'm torn. I'm gonna try them on one more time with this sports bra and we'll decide. Okay, back in the blue, I'm trying on the Like a Cloud sports bra. I love the back of this. It's so pretty. So I feel like I'm gonna wait for these to go on markdown. I feel like they will go on markdown. And I don't know about the white. I think I'm gonna leave empty-handed.
A few moments later.
At Aritzia, trying these two. So pretty. Okay guys, I am done at the mall. Oh my goodness, that took so much longer than I expected. It's actually 12:50 now, so we're a little behind schedule. My clothes is ready to be picked up, but I went to so many stores and I didn't vlog it. A, it was either really loud with the music, or B, it was very silent. Like in the Aritzia change room, I feel like the music was so silent. You could hear like people trying on clothes, so I didn't really want to talk. But I also went to Zara, and I didn't know Zara apparently is having like a major sale right now. Store was chaotic. It was very hot. The air conditioning I think was broken. It was just not a good time, and I just didn't want to be like whipping out my camera. But I did purchase a bunch of stuff that I'm sorry I didn't show you, but last time I did one of these I told you I would show you everything I bought in a second video, and you guys didn't really like that, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I got 4 things from Zara for $54.10. I got 4 tops basically, and they were all like $12.99, $12.99, $11.90, and $9.99. It was very chaotic, very hard to find what I was looking for. Everything was just kind of all over the place, but I got some stuff. Item number 1 is this like strapless kind of top. It's cute. It has a zipper over here, and the back looks like that. Originally it was $29.90 and I picked it up for $12, and I just really like the red. Also got this basic blue t-shirt. I think it's really cute, very soft, very stretchy. Got it in a size small. This one was not on sale. It was $11.90 and it's just like a cute little t-shirt. Nothing crazy on it. I just really like this blue right now. And then I got 2 things that I think are kind of gonna match with the shorts that I bought at Aritzia, which I'll show you next. But this is it. Very cute, simple. I have a similar one that I got from Shein, but the back is like mesh and see-through, but I like how this has the detail of the same pattern just going around the back, and then it is super stretchy and it just buttons up at the front. Size small. It was originally $45.90 and I picked it up for $9.99. Last but not least is kind of another similar floral print, again to go with the shorts, or I think like a nice kind of mom jean style. I'm thinking probably gonna bring this on vacation with me if we do end up going. But it's like this. Can't tell if I love it or I hate it. I'm probably gonna have to try it on to see, but I am happy that nothing is a final sale. This is it. Again, size small. It's a very thick knit material. I don't know, I have a vision. I just don't know if I can pull it off or not. It was originally $35.90 and went down to $12.99. I don't know if I can pull this off or if it looks too childish, but I just feel like it's cute, I hope, maybe. Next up we have Aritzia. So I got 2 pairs of socks. These are my favorite socks ever. They are the base grip no-show sock. They only had medium large, hoping that it'll fit, but got these. They were on sale for $12, originally $15. And then I got the TNA base no-show sock. These ones are an extra small, which is what I usually get, but I don't know, I picked up one of each. Can't go wrong with a plain white sock. I wear them every day, especially to the gym, and I've been losing them. I don't know why, but had to get more. And then these pants. These are the Anthem Vin Grease in a size 6. They were $98, pretty pricey, but I love them. I tried them on, and I know they say grease, which is gray, but to me they have like a pink undertone. I don't know if I'm going crazy. Like my sweater is gray. This is like pinky purpley, so I don't know if I'm going crazy, but you guys should have seen me try this on in store. Absolutely loved it. I know it's expensive, but I feel like it's worth it, and especially when I go on vacation, I can bring this. And I thought like this, I don't know if these two will match. This with like this top might be like a cute outfit. I don't know. We'll have to see. And if not, I can always return everything. And then I didn't show you guys, but I went into Sephora really quickly. I just needed to grab these Shiezdo facial cotton pads. These are the best. Absolutely love them. They're so soft. I've been using them for like 2-3 years now. The absolute best. I just love them. And my mom also uses them, and we ran out. So I figured I would just pick us up a new batch so we could have. And then from Lulu, which you guys saw, I only ended up going for the Like a Cloud sports bra. I really like the white one, and I have packages on the way, and I think it'll be just like a super cute outfit with this. And I love the thicker straps and the detail that the back has for it, so I ended up going with this one. The Like a Cloud bras are great because they don't have a single like kind of pad that you can remove. This entire fabric, the front piece all the way at the front, is like a spongy material, so there's no pad inside of it, but it's a thicker spongy material, which I absolutely love. Love the Like a Cloud bras. Was more on the pricey side, but I don't know, I love it, and I feel like I'll get a lot of wear of this. Having a white sports bra is amazing. And yeah, that is everything that I picked up today from the mall. Now I just gotta go pick up my clothes. It's 1 o'clock, and then I gotta go home, make some lunch, and then grab my pup and take him to get his haircut. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for coming shopping with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, or whenever you're watching this. I hope you are doing well. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!